teacher. In general, teacher means to teach students our specific syllabus and impart knowledge about the specific curriculum. Their duty is to make sure that students understand what is being taught to them in the classroom or in online teaching or in learning setup.
Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers, pursuant to the provisions of paragraph Article 11 of RA number 7836, otherwise known as the Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994 and paragraph Section 6 number 223 as amended, the Board for Professional Teachers hereby adopt the Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers. Article 1, Scope and Limitations. Section 1. The Philippine Constitution provides that all educational institutions shall offer quality education for all competent teachers. Commit to its co-realization, the provision of this code shall apply, therefore, to all teachers in schools in the Philippines. This section explains that every teacher, institution, education must offer the quality education to would-be teacher or to the future educator, like as to be a quality student and quality future educator. Section 2. This code covers all public and private school teachers and all educational institutions.
Preamble. Teachers are duly licensed professionals who possess dignity and reputation with high moral values as well as technical and professional competence in the practice of their noble professions, and they strictly adhere to observe and practice this set of ethical and moral principles, standards, and sound values. Teachers' behaviors are really important. The way they express themselves, the way they dress up, the way they talk, and the way they deliver their lessons to the student to make sure that they really understand it.
Article number 2, the teacher and the state. Section 1. The school are the nursery of the future citizens of the state. Each teacher is a trustee of the cultural and educational heritage of the nation and is under obligation to transmit learners such heritage as well as to elevate national morality, promote national pride, cultivate love of country, instill allegiance to the Constitution and all duty, constitute authorities, and promote obedience to the law of state. Section 1, meaning that in the school, the student mind given ability to grow and know more. And in the school, the students have a life that they desire because they learn how to socialize with other persons in the help of their teacher. Every teacher or school official shall actively help carry out the declared policies of the state and shall take an oath to this effect. Section 3. In the interest of the state and of the Filipino people as much as of his own, every teacher shall be physically, mentally, and morally fit. Teacher shall be physically fit because teacher must need to be healthy in order to teach their student. For example, they need to have a good voice in order to student know and learn. Mentally fit, teacher need to avoid engage in stress for them to be mentally fit and for us to teach well to our student. Morally fit, teacher need to teach student about like how to be a good to other morally. The student use and apply to one another.
Section 4. Every teacher shall possess and actualize a full commitment and devotion to duty. For the example, the devoted or passionate teacher deliver module no matter the distance.
Section 5. A teacher shall not engage in the promotion of any political, religious, or other partisan interest and shall not directly or indirectly solicit. Teachers should not allow to use their position or power to engage or campaign for any political figure or political party. Section 6. Every teacher shall vote and should exercise all other constitutional rights and responsibilities. The teacher should practice his or her right to suffrage. Section 7. A teacher shall not use his position or official authority or influence to coerce any other person to follow any political course of action. Teachers should not engage directly or indirectly in politics. Teachers thus are not supposed to be convincing people to vote for someone else, and also the teacher should not participate in any rally about the politics or government. Section 8. Every teacher shall enjoy academic freedom and shall have a privilege of expanding the product of his research and investigation, provided that if the results are inimical to the declared policies of the state. Teachers have a right to enjoy academic freedom. Academic freedom is the right of the teacher to conduct their own research and investigation about problem or about issue. But academic freedom is not absolute, because we know that it had a limitation.
Skill number 3. The teacher and the community. Section number 1. A teacher is a facilitator of learning and of the development of the youth. He shall therefore render the best service by providing an environment conducive to such end growth. Number 1. The main role of the teacher is to become a facilitator of learning. Their duty is to give all the lessons that their students need in order to gain more knowledge and discover methods to know their learning process. Every teacher shall provide leadership and initiative to actively participate and communicate movements for moral, social, education, economic, and civic betterment. Teachers should act as community leaders. Section 3. Every teacher shall merit reasonable social recognition, for which purpose he shall behave with honor and dignity at all times and refrain from such activities as gambling, smoking, drunkenness, and other excesses, much less illicit relations. Teachers is recognized in the society as some